Part 2 of my Nissan Sentra GlassParency application. Took me a while for it to get to an actual rainy day. So, since we have one, let's see what the windscreen does. It's not running that hard out here, guys. But let's see if we can get a little action. Right now you see large beads forming and just rolling off the windscreen. Let's put a little wind behind it. Ooh, it hits a brake. The water beads shoot from the roof. My car was coated last year. I will be putting a new coat on it this year. Alrighty. And we're off to the races. Let's see. We're at about 35 miles an hour. And do you see what's happening? The water is just blowing. We're at about 40 miles an hour. No windshield wipers. We're now at 45 miles an hour. No windshield wipers. Police. Shit! You see him real good. Guess I'm about to do a voiceover on this thing here. I'm around with my wife and she's actually just laughing at my voice, right? When the cop was there, just threw everything all off. Can't hold that script, but right now we're still at about 45. I got a truck pull out in front of me. Can't get it up to 50 yet, yo. Just stand by technical difficulties. Oh, God. As you see, basically, though, GlassParency is a great product. You don't really need your windshield wipers. You can see pretty good during the day with a cloudy overcast. It does work. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. I recommend everybody should actually get it. Right now we're looking at about 50 miles an hour and I don't have any wipers on. I'm going to turn the wipers on just so you guys can get an idea of how it works with the wipers. And that's on my slow delay. And we're still doing 50. It looks like basically once a larger amount of beads pull up on it, you're actually going to get some more of movement of the water off the windscreen. So I'm actually here to say I kind of love the product. And I've been waiting for about a good 2 weeks for it to rain enough just so I could get some stuff. It just seems like my schedule at work and the schedule with Mother Nature just didn't link up. Alright guys, thanks for hanging in there with me.